Are you a recruitment or search agency owner finding your next level of growth elusive? Learn the 3 strategies that high-performing agencies use to scale and grow their businesses. Join me for my free, no sales pitch, info-packed, super practical masterclass where you will learn the exact 3 steps to go from being the best-kept secret to a standout success. I'll show you how to get out of the weeds, build your reputation fast, and attract a strong pipeline of A-grade business. If you're ready to join me now, click the link below or stick with me to hear more about what you'll learn in this masterclass. My name is Belinda Kerr and I have launched and sold 2 of my own recruitment businesses. I have bottled my knowledge into our exclusive 3-step system, which is helping hundreds of agency owners across the world really transform their results. Right now, everything you do probably has your thumbprint on it. You're on the hamster wheel and can't see how to improve your results. In this session, I teach you my straightforward growth system. It's called the Scale Project, and it's designed to help you scale up your business without running you into the ground. I also have a bonus for you, normally reserved for my paying clients. It's a powerful tool to help you identify the best place to start taking action in your recruitment or search business to dial up your results fast. So, join me by clicking the link below and filling in your details, and I'll show you how to untap the potential in your agency starting today. We only have so many slots available, so make sure you register now. I really look forward to seeing you there.